Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Cauliflower cheese can go watery if the cauliflower is overcooked. Overcooked cauliflower releases water, which will seep into the rest of the dish. So even if your sauce was thick when it went in the oven, if it's in there too long, the water from the cauliflower will cause it to go watery.
Take our lead.
If you boil your florets, whether on the stove or in your microwave, it is important to make sure you let your cauliflower fully cool before adding it to your cheese sauce. This will prevent your sauce from being watery or runny. The best way to do this is to lay the cooked and drained cauliflower out onto a sheet pan.
Take our lead.
If you have any leftover cauliflower cheese, reheating is no problem at all. You can reheat and serve with any other leftovers, or cook some sausages in the oven with some of our oven fries and you have a whole new meal. I've also used this same recipe for a mix of broccoli, shredded carrots and cabbage.